Add column with constant value to pandas dataframe. Given a dataframe. What is the simplest way to add a new column containing a constant value, e.g. 0? This is my solution, but I don't know why this puts nan into new column.
The reason this puts nan into a column is because df.index and the index of your right-hand side object are different. Adzak shows the proper way to assign a new column of zeros. In general, pandas tries to do as much alignment of indices as possible. One downside is that when indices are not aligned, you get nan wherever they aren't aligned. Play around with the reindex and align methods to gain some intuition for alignment works with objects that have partially, totally, and not aligned all aligned indices. For example, here's how dataframe.align works with partially aligned indices.
Super simple in-place assignment, df new, equals 0. For in-place modification, perform direct assignment. This assignment is broadcasted by pandas for each row. Note for object columns. If you want to add in column of empty lists, here is my advice. Consider not doing this. Object columns are bad news in terms of performance. Rethink how your data is structured, consider storing your data in a sparse data structure. More information, sparse data structures. If you must store a column of lists, ensure not to copy the same reference multiple times. Generating a copy, df.assign new equals 0. If you need a copy instead, use dataframe.assign. And, if you need to assign multiple such columns with the same value, this is as simple as multiple column assignment. Finally, if you need to assign multiple columns with different values, you can use assign with a dictionary.
With modern pandas you can just do.
Here is another one-liner using pandas. Create column with constant value equals 10. Before. After.